Here I've got BLU Grand M2, and let me show you how to change video resolution on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to locate and open Camera app, it's right here. Then click on the settings icon. Here go to the camera recording tab and then click on video quality. And here you can pick the one that you would like to apply. You can choose fine, high, medium or low. So let me pick fine. And now you can record in this mode. Whenever you would like to go back to medium or change it to some other, just open video quality one more time and pick, for example, high. And this is it. This is how you can smoothly and easily change video resolution in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.